You don't see many people do 2 sub boxes in the same build and have 2 inverted. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. You never know what you're going to expect when you come in a vehicle, so it's exciting. Anyway, is there a way you can kind of give me info on what's in here?
So I have 4 XV312s. They're dual 1 ohm. They're wild. Dual 2 ohm, I mean. They're wired to a final impedance of 1 ohm. I have a JS alternators 320 up front. Big 3 is all 2 watt, and then it goes to 1 watt because that's what I had. And it goes under the vehicle, comes up. I have 62 amp hours of, I believe, SPIM down there. It's hard to see.
I see it, yep.
But you can see the balancer. And I have a Scar RP12 1200 right here, 4-channel. That's powering the 6s and the tweeters, and underneath I have a DS18 EXL sound quality amp.
Okay.
And I'm getting ready to put in the DSP. But these are 2 individual chambers. They're identical. I do gain like 1 dB from flushing these, but I just thought it looked cooler to invert the rear. The back has been torn. You can see down the center there, it's been re-welded, and it is wooded now, and it doesn't move. But the bottom where the floor meets the back of the cab is blown out right now. So that sucks. The windshield seal is out, and
dang. What's is there ports?
Yes, the ports. I can show you.
Yeah, let's go look at that real quick. Sorry.
The platform signal, I have this here, and there's ports that go all the way back.
Nice. And this was 2 boxes because I guess to fit it in here.
I didn't want to build it inside the vehicle because sawdust is a real pain in the butt.
Yeah.
But inside the roof, there's no wood. The headliner's getting ready to come down, but underneath is 3 layers of 80 mil kill mat in the back, and then the B pillars and up is 4 layers.
Okay.
That didn't seem to help the windshield seal blow.
No, the only way to do that would be to reinforce here with a brace or something.
What I'm going to do is have a stripper pole come down to a 45 and then go straight down to the floor.
There you go. How big is the box?
Each box is about 5 cubic feet, and then this one I believe is like 5.5 or something like that with the subs inverted. But
what made you invert 2 and then mount regular 2?
I just thought it looked a little cooler.
It does, yeah.
But and the paint I just used some tar fence paint. It's really durable. I slammed the subs down on them and didn't even scratch it. It took like
solid.
a whole week to cure it.
Wow.
But it's a lot easier to clean and it doesn't get scratched easily.
Yeah.
Do another 8K at some point because this one is just working so hard.
Getting pretty warm, yeah. Awesome. Really nice job. Very unique too. You don't see many people do 2 sub boxes in the same build and have 2 inverted, so it's awesome. Pretty unique. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, people often confuse it for a push-pull system.
Yeah, but you have everything phased, so.
Yeah, everything's phased. Reverse, the polarity on the rear is reversed, so they all move in.
Correct. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, you did good.
But you make me wanna come clean. I wanna make you my queen. Put you in the crib and give you plenty green. Please for your love, my fiend. Cause the way you put it on me make me wanna scream. And talk you in places you ain't never seen. Like a pride.
Awesome. Thanks for the info. You knew everything. I'm ready to hear it, man.
All right.
Awesome.
minute. The baby started a real one, but she ain't finished. We used to go up in sacks. I used to let her spin it. I'ma just claim your line and ride her by your back. Take your trips, don't get now you a young man, you got tell my name when I was started back. Cut off the leash, I told you gotta check, bitch, you just that you press on. See your trips, don't get started back. You with the drama, I told her find herself. Yeah, I formed a life hard in the heart. I hit her that night like I bossed up a life and I got quick. Fuck you mean I'm yeah, new bad bitch. Hymns in a week. Franchise nigga, no drama. I see your page and wires. This is how we living and how you. By your take your trips, don't get. Now you a young man, you got. Tell my name when I was. Son of a. Cut off the leash, I told. You gotta check, bitch. You.
If you want, yeah, sure, man. Open that door. Okay. Getting pretty warm, yeah. Awesome. Well, you have a good JacobViral. Privilege, man. Really nice job. Very unique, too. You don't see many people do 2 sub boxes in the same build and have 2 inverted, so it's awesome. Pretty unique. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, people often confuse it for a push-pull system.
Yeah, but you have everything phased, so.
Yeah, everything's phased. Reverse, the polarity on the rear is reversed, so they all move in.
Correct. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, you did good. Awesome, man.
Thank you.
You have a good day.